Welcome back to the channel, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more updates. Today we are diving into an exciting tutorial. Start by opening your portrait photo in Photoshop, then duplicate it and rename the copy hologram. Now apply hue and saturation to shift tone to can or blue. Then go to the layer styles, outer glow and add a neon blue lights. Increase the spread slightly for a soft holographic effect. Apply filter and pixelate and mosaic for a digital texture. Then add skin lines using black horizontal lines. Set blend mode to overlay. Use wave filter to simulate signal interference. Duplicate the hologram layer and offset this slightly for a 3D depth. Add background lighting with gain radial gradient